Right, now we've had a look at the warm-up, we completed the warm-up, and we've looked at the learning intention. Let's have a look at some questions. So Toto says, I'd like 27p, please. Here's 27p. So you need to think, right, are we going to use the 50p, the £1, or the £2 to make 27p? No, because that's greater than the actual total value. Okay, so we've got 20p. 20 add 5 is 25. Add 2 1p's equals 27. We can make 27 another way. Here's 27p. So we've got 5, 10, and the 2 5s, 15, 20. Add 5 is 25. 2p is 27. Here's another 27p. 20 add 5, add 2. Okay, so again, it's looking at the lesson on making the same amount. We've made 27, but we've made it in 3 different ways, and there are loads more other ways of making this number. So now we are looking at a larger amount. So we've got £32.64. So we need to look at the money that we've got, and we need to add up the total and see if it's correct. So if we started adding up the notes first, we've got 10, 20, add 10 is 30, add 40, add 10 is 40. So we already know that this isn't the correct amount because we've gone over £32 because we're already here and we're already at 40. Add 10 is 50, add 5 is 55, add 2, 57, 58, 59, £59. So we've got £59 here, then we've got 50p, 20 is 70, add 20 is 90. Now when we get to 90, I don't want to add that next 20p because if we add that, then that means we go to £1.10. We go to £1.10. So if we make a pound, 50 at 20 at 20 at 10 is a pound, £1.20, £1.22, £1.24. So we have £59 here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 59, yeah. Got £1.24. So then we'll add that pound to make £60, and then we've got 24p left. Okay, so we've got £60, 24p. Here we have 4 different amounts of numbers. We need to think about which one doesn't belong. So we need to add up the correct, or add up each of the amounts, or to find out which one doesn't belong. So if we look at